Bet you thought you knew me. Screw it, I'ma say it is a shout out to my ex.
Hello everybody, I'm April, and on my channel I show you how to do-it-yourself projects on a budget. In this video, I'm going to be spray painting picture frames. I got these picture frames from a warehouse that was going out of business. I got this artwork for free. You can get artwork from a thrift store, a flea market, and you can create and make your own colors to fit the decor in your home, your office, anywhere. And this particular pieces, I'm gonna be doing it for my she shed, my DIY workshop. Thanks for watching. Repaint, refresh the frames because they're chipped up. Black and white prints. I got this for free, so I'm gonna refresh them because I like the black and white prints that's on there.
And could this be the sign that you were giving me? Is this a green light, or have I lost my sight? And they say wear your seatbelts, keep an eye out for yourself. But I just wanna take a detour, don't know where we're going anymore. And I can't wait to fall asleep, you're the only one I see in my dreams. And I'm so glad that you found me, 'cause you're the only man sweeping me off my feet. You got me off my feet, off my feet, off my feet. And I don't wanna waste my time with these other guys. My time patiently waiting for you to change my mind. So would you let me know the next time you're around? I'll drop whatever I'm doing, you know I'm always down. I got a picture of you painted behind the closed eyes, and I don't know why. Guess it's 'cause your words are hard to find. I've got a lot of things to do, but I'll always make the time for you. No matter how hard I try, can't seem to get you off my mind. And I can't wait to fall asleep, 'cause you're the only one I see in my dreams. And I'm so glad that you found me, 'cause you're the only man sweeping me off my feet. You got me off my feet, off my feet. about you written on my phone. Oh boy, you should know I'm losing all my self-control. I finally found somebody that's worth singing about. I think I figured it out. I don't need anybody else. Anybody else.
Away, and I don't know what to tell